YouTube, welcome back to Welding with Grandad. I'm going to do something different today. I'm using the ANDELI 270p Pro again, but with a spool on gun. 0.8 wire using 20% CO2. So that's just a relatively inexpensive gun from a company called Static Arc up in Leicester somewhere. Cost about £35. A bit fragile, so you have to be careful with it. What I'm going to do is show you how you arrive at this spool and gun. So there's the spool and gun set in there. So you click that. Then you have to set this manually. So what I did, I went into the settings, found 25% CO2, hit 2 mil and found out what the synergic conditions would have been. So then I went back to that, set that, and then set the 16 volts 73 amps. And then what I'm going to do today is that inductance, bit of a black art this one because nobody knows a lot about it. So I'm going to do a short weld with plus 10 inductance, and then a short weld plus 5, short weld 0, and you get the trick here, short weld on minus 5 and a short weld on minus 10. Now my understanding was the minus 10 inductance should produce less spatter and less penetration into the plate. So if you're welding thin sheet. Now I'm on 2 mil, so in theory that should be the better one. But I'm going to keep one condition, start at plus 10 and work down. And it's surprising the results I got. You could say, well, on minus 10 you could trim the volts and amps. Well, that's defeating the point of the object. So I don't know how these shorts work on YouTube, but I've done this one. I'll finish this one. I'll do the weld, film that. Don't know how good that'll turn out. I'm on my own. And then do a short one on the results. And I'll compare it to what I've done with this machine on gasless with a 0.8 wire. So end of message.